Dr. Beth Kasanoff-Piper, President of the Dallas County Medical Society. A lot of patients are asking me, okay, now we've had both our vaccines, what can we do now? Can we get rid of the masks? Can we go see our friends and our grandkids? We know the available vaccines currently are about 95% protective when you're fully immunized, which means about 2 weeks after your second shot. While this is great protection, it does mean that some people will still be at risk. We also don't know yet whether vaccinated people can still transmit the virus to other people if they've been exposed, or how long the immunity may last, or exactly how much protection the vaccines have against some of the new variants. You'll want to still wear your mask to protect yourself and to protect others, especially when you're around people who haven't been vaccinated. Getting together outside and staying physically distanced is also helpful to prevent this potential asymptomatic spread. What about being around other people who've also been vaccinated? If you're getting together with family or friends who've also had both doses of the vaccine, then the risk of COVID is greatly reduced, although you should continue to be cautious. What about eating inside at a restaurant? Eating outside is still safer. There's greater risk of spread between people who are unmasked for eating inside, where the ventilation is not as good as there is outside. What about going on vacation? The CDC still recommends against travel right now unless it's essential. If you do choose to travel, continue all the same safety measures that you've been using at home. And be sure to check the requirements for where you're going. You may be required to have a nasal swab that's negative before flights or for some destinations. So I have a few people who say, why should I bother to get the vaccine if I still have to do all these things? The clinical trial data for both the vaccines currently on the market and for those coming soon shows that vaccinated people have almost no risk of getting sick enough to require hospitalization or to die from COVID. That's huge. And over time, enough people will have been vaccinated that will reach a point that the community has a high level of protection, say 70 to 85%, and we will be able to relax some of these preventive measures. But for now, keep up what you're doing. Keep washing your hands, keeping your distance, and wearing your mask. And get a vaccine as soon as you're able. Thank you.